Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys redmi mobile setting guys, and today guys I am going to show guys redmi mobile guys pin lock password full setting, how to set pin lock password in redmi mobile. So friends, one by one, step by step friends, we will talk about redmi mobile pin lock password setting. So first of all guys, open your redmi mobile phone setting. After phone setting, as you can see this type interface in your device. So guys, scroll it and friends click here redmi mobile password setting. You want to set fingerprint lock, face lock, you can set from here. Then click here screen lock. Pattern lock you want to set, so you can set pattern lock. Then click here pin lock. Remember your screen lock, and friends don't do any mistake. If you do mistake, if you forget your lock screen password, so you will have to erase your old data on your Redmi mobile. So friends, remember your password, and then first of all click here. Then friends, you can check your password. Whatever you will enter here, you can check on the screen. Friends, I will use, and friends you can use 4 to 16 digit password here. Friends, I will use 6 digit password. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6. Confirm. And friends, you can set pin lock password. You want to add fingerprint, you can add fingerprint. Lock your screen. Friends, you want to unlock your Redmi mobile, swipe here and press enter your pin password. Enter your 6 digit pin, 4 digit pin, 10 digit and 16 digit pin, and you can unlock your Redmi mobile. So like that friends, we can set pin lock password in Redmi mobile. And friends, you want to change pin lock password, so open your phone password setting, screen lock setting, enter your password. Next option, again click pin. As you can see, remember your password. If you do mistake, if you forget password, you will have to reset your Redmi mobile. And once enter new password, and once I will use 1 2 3 4 digit password. Next 1 2 3 4, confirm. And once you can check lock screen password will change on Redmi mobile. And once we have 4 digit pin, 6 digit pin we have remove. So enter your 4 digit password and you can unlock your Redmi mobile. So like that friends, you can set pin lock password 4 to 6 digit, 4 to 10 digit, 4 to 16 digit you want to set, you can set and you can use it. And friends, you don't want to use pin lock password, you want to remove pin lock password, so open your phone setting, click here, enter your 4 digit password, 6 digit password. Next, turn off screen lock, audio option, and friends your screen lock will off. And friends, you cannot use 4 digit password on lock screen. Swipe here, you can unlock your phone. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.